At the University of Wyoming College of Law, you'll find more than a degree. You'll join a close-knit community of students, faculty, alumni, and legal professionals dedicated to your success. With deep ties to Wyoming, we'll help you build a meaningful future in law. Located in the Rocky Mountains, the UW College of Law is known for its top programs, intimate, family-like atmosphere, innovative skills training, affordability, and overall student satisfaction. Our alumni are some of the most prestigious members of the state, and they are spread across the country. While we are a small law school, UW strives to provide meaningful programs and creative ways to interact with our alumni and community. From our dean to our faculty and staff, we are here to support your journey, preparing you to serve communities across Wyoming and beyond through meaningful, practice-ready experiences. Wyoming's only law school, rooted in the land, its people, and your future legal community. Students gain access to nationally recognized faculty, hands-on learning experiences, and personalized support. Our commitment to value ensures you receive a high-quality ABA accredited degree that prepares you for a successful legal career. At the University of Wyoming College of Law, learning goes far beyond the classroom. Our nationally recognized experiential learning program is consistently ranked among the top law schools for practical training. These immersive opportunities give students real-world legal experience through clinics, externships, and simulation courses. We believe in hands-on learning with an array of 4-credit clinic, practicum, and externship opportunities, as well as the Summer Trial Institute and our centers. Clinics provide an in-depth learning experience in a particular area of law. Since 2013, the College of Law has proudly offered a clinic guarantee, ensuring that every interested student has the opportunity to participate in one of our legal clinics. The University of Wyoming College of Law delivers an exceptional legal education at one of the most affordable tuition rates in the country. Every class, faculty member, staff support, and student, under one roof, give you the tools for academic success. One student opportunity that utilizes our 2 courtrooms is our Summer Trial Institute. This program is an intensive 2-week trial advocacy course that brings leading trial attorneys from across the state and country into the courtroom with UW College of Law Rising 3L students. This is truly a learn-by-doing experience. Week 1 focuses on trial skills and all things trial work. In the second week, students argue motions and other issues at a pretrial conference, conduct a bench trial, and lawyer in a jury trial with volunteer jurors. Skills are continually refined through direct feedback from peers and seasoned lawyers who are also future employers. The course culminates with a jury trial before sitting Wyoming judges. Summer Trial Institute is part of the Trial Practice Program at UW Law and is made possible through the collaborative efforts of the College of Law, the American College of Trial Lawyers, and the American Board of Trial Advocates. Another opportunity for students are our competitions. University of Wyoming College of Law students compete in law school competitions for the right to represent the college at the regional and national levels. These competitions provide an opportunity to develop practical skills and be recognized for individual and team excellence. The Board of Advocates is the student organization responsible for organizing the following in-school competitions. The University of Wyoming College of Law is nationally recognized for academic quality, affordability, and hands-on training. Our commitment to student success and real-world preparation sets us apart and continues to earn accolades from respected legal education rankings. Our building was designed with student satisfaction in mind. Whether it be a comfortable spot to meet with peers between classes, an area to grab a quick snack or eat lunch, or a quiet corner to study, the University of Wyoming College of Law can provide all of these for every student. One of the many things we offer to potential employers and alumni is access to conference and boardrooms. Designed with state-of-the-art technology, these rooms also provide privacy and safety while incorporating views of our beautiful campus, the mountains that surround us, and the city of Laramie. The Office of Career and Professional Development provides many services to students and employers. This includes career counseling and interview preparation for students, and free online job posting, on-campus interviews, and resume book distribution for employers. Choosing the right law school is a big decision, and the University of Wyoming College of Law admissions staff is here to help you every step of the way. With small class sizes, dedicated faculty, and affordable tuition, our law school offers a rigorous legal education in a supportive, student-centered environment. We're ready to guide you through the admissions process and help launch your legal career. The George W. Hopper Law Library at the University of Wyoming College of Law supports legal education and legal research. With an extensive collection of legal resources, including books, journals, and databases, the library provides students, faculty, and the broader UW community access to these essential materials. Our law librarians are dedicated to helping students navigate these resources and enhancing their research skills. By fostering a supportive learning environment, the library plays a key role in helping students succeed academically and thrive in their legal careers. Sometimes referred to as the living room of the law school, the George W. Hopper Law Library is a central hub for research, study, and academic growth. Students can access a wealth of physical and online resources. From a quiet study room to assistance locating critical materials, our library offers comprehensive support. Our resources, expert law librarians, and staff are dedicated to helping students succeed in their legal education. In addition to supporting UW law students, the library encourages faculty and the public to take advantage of its resources. Law librarians assist faculty with everything from borrowing materials to offering publishing guidance. The law library also provides public access to our collection. We are proud to be of service to our community.